Welcome. Right now, there is nothing you need to do. Nothing you need to achieve. Nothing you need to figure out. For the next few moments, give yourself permission. Permission to rest. Permission to let go. And permission to allow this day to gently come to an end. Allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. And realize that whatever remains unfinished today can wait. Whatever questions remain unanswered can wait. Whatever thoughts are still asking for your attention can wait. Because this time is for you. A time for restoration. A time for stillness. A time for deep healing sleep. Take a slow, comfortable breath in through your nose. And as you breathe in, imagine you are breathing in calmness, breathing in safety, breathing in peace. And as you breathe out, release all tension, release all pressure, release the weight of the day. Again, take a slow, gentle breath in, breathing in tranquility, breathing in comfort, breathing in relaxation, and breathe out, letting go of anxiety, letting go of restlessness, letting go of the night to keep thinking. One more time. Breathe in slowly and comfortably, and exhale even more slowly, as though every breath out is carrying you closer and closer to perfect rest. Now bring your awareness to your eyes. Allow all the tiny muscles around your eyes to completely relax. Your eyes have nothing to do, nothing to focus on, nothing to control. Your eyelids become heavier, softer, more relaxed, and as your eyes relax, your mind begins to follow. Now allow that relaxation to flow into your jaw. Release your jaw completely. There is no need to hold on, no need to clench, no need to carry any tension. Simply allow your jaw to soften. And as your jaw softens, your entire face begins to relax. Relaxation flows through your cheeks, your temples, your forehead, smoothing away every trace of strain. Now allow that feeling to drift into your neck, into your shoulders, and imagine your shoulders releasing every burden they carry today. Let them drop. Let them soften. Let them melt. Relaxation now flows through your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, your hands, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Every muscle unwinding, every nerve settling, every part of you becoming quieter, calmer, more peaceful. Allow that soothing wave to move into your chest. Notice your breathing becoming easy and natural. Slow, gentle, effortless. Now allow relaxation to spread through your abdomen. Each breath softening your stomach. Each exhale releasing another layer of tension. And now your back, your upper back, your middle back, your lower back. Every area loosening. Every area letting go. And now imagine that the surface beneath you, Your bed, your mattress, or wherever you are resting, has become a powerful magnetic sponge, a warm and comforting magnetic sponge, a sponge that gently but powerfully draws away every ache, every tension, every discomfort, every lingering worry, every trace of overthinking, every busy thought, every mental strain, being gently drawn out of your body, out of your muscles, out of your nervous system, out of your mind, and absorbed completely into that soothing magnetic sponge beneath you. The more it absorbs, the lighter you feel. The lighter you feel, the deeper you relax. Now relaxation continues down through your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet, and finally to the tips of your toes. Your entire body is now resting. Your entire body is safe. Your entire body is relaxed. And as your body becomes heavier, something interesting begins to happen. Your awareness begins to change. Imagine your body's awareness gently sinking deeper and deeper into the bed. More comfortable, more supported, more relaxed, while another part of your awareness, the awareness of your mind, begins to feel lighter, freer, more spacious, as though your body is sinking down, while your inner awareness is gently floating upward into freedom. Your body becomes pleasantly heavy. Your mind becomes wonderfully light. Your body sinks. Your awareness drifts. Your body rests. Your consciousness expands. And within this state, you discover a profound sense of peace. A peace that has always existed within you. Now imagine a warm inner light beginning to glow. A beautiful silver light. Soft, comforting, healing. This light expands and forms a magnificent silver screen before you. An inner screen of wisdom and peace. A place where your subconscious mind can gently remodel and reshape old patterns. A place where peace becomes your natural state. Watch this silver screen now, and notice how anything that once felt overwhelming begins to soften. Anything that once felt complicated becomes simple. Anything that once felt stressful begins to dissolve. Your subconscious mind knows exactly what to do. Without effort, without force, without struggle, it is reorganizing your inner world, creating peace, creating balance, creating calm. Now imagine a simple control panel appearing beside the silver screen. This control panel manages the volume of your inner thoughts, the volume of worry, the volume of analysis, the volume of mental chatter, the volume of busy ideas. Notice a volume dial, and gently begin turning it down, lower and lower and lower still. Every turn reduces the amplitude of those busy thoughts. Every turn softens the noise. Every turn creates more inner silence. The thoughts that once seemed loud now seem distant, quiet, faint, barely noticeable, and as the volume decreases, a beautiful silence begins to emerge. A healing silence, a peaceful silence, a restorative silence. Now imagine your thoughts as clouds drifting across a vast expanse. Some move quickly, some move slowly, some appear large, some appear small, but every cloud continues moving. Every cloud eventually passes, or perhaps your thoughts appear as a playful monkey mind, jumping from branch to branch, idea to idea, memory to memory, concern to concern, and there is no need to stop it, no need to fight it, no need to judge it. Simply observe, simply notice, simply watch, with kindness, with curiosity, with complete acceptance. Watch each thought drift away on a gentle night breeze, floating farther and farther away, until it disappears beyond the horizon. And as you observe, you begin to realize something important. You are not your thoughts. You are not your worries. You are not your fears. You are not the passing clouds. You are the vast quiet self. You are the awareness observing it all. You are none of those thoughts. And you are so much more. Far greater than any passing word, far larger than any temporary concern, far deeper than overthinking. And within that awareness, you discover a healing stream of subconscious reverie, a soothing current flowing gently through your mind, washing away tension, restoring balance, bringing comfort, guiding you toward divine rest, guiding you toward a serene, zen-like state, guiding you toward deep and restorative sleep. And now, I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you become heavier, safer, calmer, and closer to the beautiful embrace of sleep. 10, drifting deeper. 9, feeling wonderfully relaxed. 8, growing heavier. 7, more peaceful than before. 6, more comfortable. 5, sinking deeper and deeper. 4, safe and supported. 3, approaching deep rest. 2, moving toward unconscious euphoria. 1, deep sleep, comfortable sleep, healing sleep. And as you sleep, your subconscious mind continues working in positive and beneficial ways, creating positive, lasting solutions, strengthening inner peace, building emotional balance, supporting deep repair, deep restoration, deep renewal, deep healing. As you sleep, every cell knows how to recover. Every system knows how to restore itself. Every part of your being knows how to return to harmony. And throughout this night, your mind creates positive, lasting solutions. Your body restores itself completely. Your spirit rests peacefully. And when it is refreshed, calm, clear, confident, balanced, and energized. Day by day, the calm you feel now will return more easily, more naturally, more powerfully, becoming a permanent part of who you are. And now, allow these words to fade into the distance. Allow your mind to rest. Allow your awareness to drift. And allow sleep to carry you deeper and deeper into perfect peace, perfect comfort, perfect rest. Good night. Sleep deeply. Sleep peacefully.